guys, so this is a really like old school kind of setup because it's just my cell phone. And this is gonna be raw because one, my computer's like broken and I can't edit or anything, and two, as I said, this is shot on my iPhone, and so the quality's probably kind of crappy, but whatever. So I just got home, got them out, and my Sephora subscription box came. I'm just having no name from, but it's the Play by Sephora box. I'm so happy. I subscribed to it before Christmas, and yeah, so I'm gonna open it. I can't wait. Okay, yeah, I gotta open it though. We're just gonna take my eyebrow scissors, cut away at it. Maybe. Okay. Okay. So it says, box says here, love, tips, tricks, and beauty hacks. Sephora.com/play. Ooh. So, oh my gosh, this is so cool. So it comes with this, and it's a little beautiful 2018 thing, and you get a $50 beauty insider points card. So I'm gonna have to use that. And then, so it's got a whole bunch of stuff, and then on the back it's got a Happy New Year. So I think this is everything that comes with it. When resolution looks this good, it's easy to keep. Kick off 2018 with a new beauty routine that puts hydration first. So I get a Glam Glow Foam to Cream Cleanser. Comes in a little satchel in the box. So let me get rid of the things real quick. A Lush Lash by Lancome. A Photo Finish Primer from Smashbox. A Prepster Eye Cream from Clinique. A Rose Floral Toner from Fresh. And a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, aka it's a sample conditioner and shampoo, which I'm going to use all in one go because I have a lot of hair. Yeah, oh my god, this is great. So this looks like it expires 28th of February, so I gotta use it before then, which will be easy because I'm gonna go in the store though. Okay, but whatever. So yeah, and there's that. Oh, this satchel, it says 2018 Happy New Year. Oh, that's cute. So I'm gonna open it. Maybe. This is the part I usually cut out me trying to open everything in one go. So this is the, oh my god, they're all so cold because they're sitting on my lap. This is the shampoo and conditioner. It looks like it's anti-aging shampoo and conditioner. So, a luxurious moisture boosting shampoo and conditioner packed with age-defying proteins, minerals, and vitamins for silky strands. Ooh, dropping it. I'm reading it off of this page thing. Why you'll love it. Feed your hair with nutrients, lightening it with the replenishing shampoo and conditioner formed with caviar extract, vitamin C, and ketones. I don't know how to say it. It's spelled CYTOKINES. We love that it provides color and UV protection. How to use, which is obviously apply a generous amount and rinse with water. So standard shampoo and conditioner. Okay. This is the Photo Finish Primer. It says it is lightweight, non-greasy primer and moisturizer. It delivers deep hydration while prepping skin for makeup. Why you'll love it. Streamline your morning routine with this 2-in-1 primer meets moisturizer, which contains hyaluronic acid and nicotinamide. I'll put the spelling on the screen, hopefully. The result are 2 all-star ingredients for deep hydration. The result, glowing, dewy skin. And then you apply it with your fingertips. I mean, this is a small bottle, but like, it will get the job done, I'm sure. Next is, oh, this is the Rose Floral Toner. It is a hydrating floral toner infused with soothing rose water for a refreshed, healthy looking complexion. You keep this by your side during flights, long days, trips to the gym, or anytime your skin needs a little pick-me-up. This gentle formula is great for giving dull skin a boost of vitality. When you use it with a cotton pad, morning and evening, do not go near the eyes. 4 months. I like looking at the expiration date so I know how long I have to use it up by. Okay, so this is a little, oh my god, it's so cute. This is a little Clinique pre-start. So it is a hydrating and brightening under eye cream that is easy to pop in your bag for picking up throughout the day. Say goodbye to tired eyes with moisturizing and brightening eye cream powered by peptides. It will keep you looking fresh all day long, no matter how little sleep you got. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna try and show you guys this one. This is the Smashbox one. It's so tiny and adorable. And it's cute. I hope this has yeah, it does. So this one, this is the toner, and it's adorable. I love it. I'll put some back later. So next, this is the Lancome mascara, and I think if I just twist it open, it becomes mascara, which I currently, yeah, I'm not gonna open it. So this is the Lancome, I guess. Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. Mascara Base? What? A creamy conditioning primer that preps lashes for smooth application and a boost to drama. Okay, so you apply this before. I got it. Wow, you'll love it. Your lashes are delicate and sometimes they require a little R&R. This formula is infused with vitamin E's and microfibers, which not only makes your lashes look fuller and longer, but also nurture and rejuvenate lashes. I can't speak to you guys. I'm so sorry. As I said, this is gonna be raw, no edits, anything. And I'm sorry about that. But it's what happens when your computer breaks. So this is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. Cream to foam cleanser, and it says it is an ultra creamy cleanser. It uses the blend of 3 charcoals to clear pores and remove excess oil and makeup. Well, that's gonna be nice. Why you'll love it. At the end of the day, feel fresh with this powerful yet gentle cream to foam cleanser that removes every trace of makeup while retaining moisture in your skin. So, here it's upside down. So yeah, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 6 things a month for a total of $10 a month, which is actually not terrible. And you get a little satchel. I know what I'm gonna, this is so cute. It says, it's 2018, a new year, a new you, and it says #Sephora play on it. It's adorable. adorable. Oh my god, it's so bad in here. This is okay, so it says the Smashbox primer. It says in the box thing, the little card thing that comes with, it says that the primer was created in our LA photo studio to replenish moisture and prep makeup for skin in one step. That's cool. Sets in seconds, lightweight. Yeah, I don't know what nitacomic and nitacominate. No, I don't know what it said, but yeah. So I highly, if you're able to get your hands on one of these Sephora play boxes, highly recommend it because it is the greatest thing in the world. I just got it and I'm like pretty pleased. I didn't even know it was supposed to come. So okay, so this is what this says. The front of it says. So there's 1 to 12. So for 1, January, drink up. Your skin won't just glow on its own. Use the calculation below to find out how much water you should drink daily. Hit that number every day this month. So it's your weight divided by 2, which is the number of ounces you drink. So, mine's gonna be a weird amount. I'll figure it out and I will let you guys know how much ounces of water I should drink in the description box below, so go check that out. Love your lips. This is for February. This romantic month is not just for couples. Show yourself some love. Wear bright lip colors and buy yourself flowers just because. March, eat green. February, April, sweat it out. Do 30 to 60 minutes of exercise 5 times a week. May, make room. While you're spring cleaning, you need to remember to clean out your vanity. Your beauty products expire quicker than you think. Check the chart to see when you should recycle. Powders 24-month, cream based blush and lips 18-month, liquid based coverage and lips 12 months, eyeliner pencils 24, mascara liquid eyeliner 3 months. This is a lot, 'cause I think all mine are 6 months. Yeah, my eyeliner is 6 months. Current mascara I'm using is 6 months. And then the other mascara I have is 6 months, so sometimes it's 6 months. Creams and serums 12 months. There's a little tip. June, exfoliate away. July, widen your horizons. 8, practice self-care. September, so August is practice self-care. September, mask more. October, be fearless. November, treat your hair. I'm actually probably going to do something different to my hair sometime this year. So if you guys want to see that, let me know, and I will try and maybe take photos of the process because that just seemed to be easier. And then December, pay it forward. And then it says here in the corner, your bonus challenge. We want to see your beauty resolutions in the community. Join the play group to show us your beauty goals. We will feature one participating subscriber every week. Join us if you haven't already signed up and filled out our Beauty Insider community profile at sephora.com/community. If you have questions, you can email them or call, and I will put a link where you can get the Sephora Playbox because it is so much fun, but I don't know if they have any out currently. I don't know if any subscriptions have opened up yet, but if they have, be sure to get your hands on it because it is amazing and I highly recommend it. So yeah, I will see you guys all next time. Be sure to check out all my links down below. My Twitter and Instagram are down there. I made new ones because my old ones were couldn't get onto my old Instagram, and I was like, well, I might as well make a new Twitter. So those are linked down below as well. And I will see you guys next time with probably an everyday makeup video. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.